Hello everyone, I'm Irnawan, one of the Boyolali Tourism Ambassador finalists. Today, I'll show you my hometown. We are going to have a really nice sightseeing tour. Let's go! Boyolali is well known for its dairy product. If you visit Boyolali, you will find the landmark. The landmark is Cow Monument. I'll show you one of the monuments. There you go. And another cow monument above my head. On Bus Rock Road, and here you will find another cow monument. I'm in the center of this town. Behind me, you can see the Big Bang version of Boyolali. It shows that we, local people, respect the town. And on my left side, you can see the traditional market in Boyolali. Now, I'm in another side of Boyolali. In French, they have El Arc de Triomphe. In Boyolali, we have Memento Mori. If you learn philosophy, Memento Mori is a strong word before the Renaissance came to Europe. Memento Mori means remember that you will die. Take it. Now I'm at the one of famous tourist objects in Boyolali. We have Clutter Spring and football court, which is called Etasia Football Court. It's the biggest football court in Asia, Southeast Asia. It's pretty simple, gotta find a life to follow. And if you do, you have to get your real pride. And it's a combination of consistency. In Clutter, we can try fish. It can relax your mind and body. I've already bought a ticket. It only costs 10,000 rupees. I'm at the fish spot. The fish are biting my fish. Look at that fish. Oh my god, it's ticklish. I can stay hours in here. And the best way to spend the night in Boyolali is visiting alun-alun. You can enjoy riding bling bling pedicab, enjoying snacks, or blending with the local. Ratlo, ice cream. Grilled corn. I'm going to try one of these bling bling pedicab. Let's go. I feel like I'm starving now. I guess I'm going to grab some snacks here. So, I'll see you around. Bye bye.